Hi everyone, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to this video. Dear students, today we will learn how probability, especially Bayes theorem, is applied in real life situation. I have taken an example in this present situation, your COVID-19 test. The situation is like this. From a large population, only 0.1% have the coronavirus. The COVID-19 test specified as 90% of the test detect disease and 10% go undetected. Of people of free from corona or free of corona, 99% of the test judged corona negative and only 1% are diagnosed showing corona positive. Now one person is selected at random, given COVID-19 test, and pathologist reports him or her corona positive. What is the probability that person actually has coronavirus? So in this situation, we will learn how to apply Bayes theorem, this type of problem. So let us go for the fundamentals of Bayes theorem. Welcome. So today's video is application of Bayes theorem in real life, class 12 mathematics, probability. Let me say again what was the problem. Problem was, suppose that the reliability of COVID-19 test is specified as follows: of people having coronavirus, 90% of the test detect the disease but 10% goes undetected. Of people free of corona, 99% tests are judged corona negative, whereas 1% are diagnosed as showing corona positive. From a large population of which only 0.1% have corona, one person is selected at random, given positive a COVID test, and the pathologist reports him or her as corona positive. What is the probability that the person actually has coronavirus? So this type of problem we can solve with probability, or probability is used for the new tests. Not only in test, it is used for your finance, it is used for uh, economics. So this is the introduction. It starts from partition of a sample space. So here you can, in the figure you can see a sample space, and here there are many individual events. Set of events E1, E2, E3 up to En are said to be partition. They are said to be partition, but under certain conditions. What are the conditions? First is they are mutually exclusive. That means there is no common in E1, E2, no common in E1, E3, no common in E2, E3, so on up to En. Second condition is they are all union gives you the sample space. That means E1, E2, E3, when they are taking union, we get sample space. Third is each is non-empty. Each set is non-empty. E1 is non-empty, E2 is non-empty, or up to En. So then they are known as sample, a partition of the sample space. E1, E2, E3, En are called sample space, partition of the sample space. Now, theorem of total probability is applied here. If it is applied here, how it will be? If E1, E2, En is the partition of the sample space S, E1, E2, En are partition of the sample space, then A is any event associated with S. Then E is associated with each of them. Then probability of A will be how much? Probability of A will be your probability of A intersection E1 from E1, union probability of A intersection E2, union probability of A intersection E3 up to your probability of A intersection En, or this is just probability of your their addition. So this is the thing which we explained. Now we'll go for the theorem of probability. For example, P A intersection E1 can be written as your probability of A given E1 into P E1. You know this. Similarly, P A given E2 or condition E2 is equal to P A E2 into P E2, or up to your Pn we can write probability up to En. We can write this is probability of A En, probability of En. So we can replace this all this term by what we have written here. So what will be PA? PA will be your P E1 into PA by E1 given E1 E2 given E2 up to Pn. So this is your probability of A, or we call it total probability of the event A. Total probability of event A. Any event, for example, corona positive, or we'll go for an example, we'll understand better. Or individually, not individually, we can make a formula for this sum. It will be probability of P all j, or you can say individual, into P a condition Ej. The value of j will be from your 1 to n. This will be probability of A. So stating the theorem again, if E1, E2, En are mutually exclusive and exhaustive means their sum is S, exclusive means their intersection is empty set, null. Associated with the sample space, then A is any event non-zero probability of A is not zero, then we can write P Eja is equal to J A Ej P Ej multiplies P A given Ej. The value of J will be from 1, 2, 3, and if it is for event 1, then we'll write for 1, for 2, we'll write for 2. So we'll be replacing J with 1, 2, 3, whatever it may be. But in here, so for your better understanding, I have taken a example. It is an insurance company insured 2,000 scooter drivers, 4,000 car drivers, and 6,000 truck drivers. The probability of an accident are 0.01, 0.03, and 0.15 respectively. What is the probability that accident of insured person? Second is, if one of the insured person is meets an accident, what is the probability that he is a scooter driver? If one of the insured person meets the accident, what is the probability that he is a car driver? If one of the insured person meets the accident, what is the probability that he is a truck driver? So it contains 4 parts, and if you will understand all these 4 parts, that means you will understand the whole concepts. So first is, there are scooters and your car and your truck. So we will take them as your events E1, E2, E3, and they makes the sample space, that is the total vehicles. So what will be says here? Total vehicle will be how much? 2000 plus your 4000 plus your 6000. So total is 12,000. Then let me define E1. E1 is your insured person is a scooter driver. E2 is insured person is a car driver. And E3 is equal to we are insured is a truck driver. The probability of E1 to be a your scooter driver is equal to your 2000 by 12,000. So this will be 1 by 6. In the same way, I can find PE2. That will be 4000 by 12,000, 1 by 3. I can get PE3. That will be 6000 by 12,000. That will be 1 by 2. Next is it is the question of accident. So A, I am taking an accident. Now accident from the scooter. Accident from the scooter is equal to 0.01. Accident from your car for car driver is your 0.03, and accident from your truck is equal to your 0.15. So what is the probability that accident will be from insured person? That means it is P of A. And you know the formula, that is A condition E1 into P E1 plus P E condition E condition E2 into P E2 and plus P A condition E3 into P E3. So we'll put the value now. So probability of an accident is equal to, that is total probability, it will be 1 by 6 into your 0.01 plus 1 by 3 into 0.03 plus 1 by 2 into 0.15. You can make into fractions also to get the answer. So it will be how much? It will be your, I can take 1 by 100 common from this, 1 by 100. Then it will be your 1 into 1 by 6. Then your 3 by 3. Then your 15 by 2. So this will be 1 by 6, 1 by 100 into 1 by 6 plus 1 plus 1 by 15 by 2. So let us take the LCM. It will be 1 by 100 into 6 is the LCM. 1 plus 6 plus 45. So how much is the answer? So P of A, the total probability of accident is equal to 52 by 100 into 6. So we can cancel with it. 226 to 3. So this will be, you can again cancel 2 13 by 150. Next, coming to second part. Second part is your what is the probability? It is from a scooter driver. So question is accident is the condition and it is from your scooter. So this will be A by E1 into PE1 upon the total probability. Total probability we have already found. So I can write 13 by 150 or you can write all the things. So A by E1 is equal to how much? What was the numerator? Numerator was 1 by 100 into 1 by 6 by your 13 by 150. So you can cancel 0 0 cancel. It will be 15 by 6 into 10 into 13. Now 5 3s are 50, 5 2s are 3 2s are. So how much it will be? It will be 1 by 52. Similarly, if the question is you are from car driver, so it will be E2 by A. So what will the numerator? Numerator it will be P A by E2 into P2. And the denominator will be same as your total probability. It will be 13 by 50. Now see the this one. It will be 1 by 3 into your 1 by 100. I hope you have calculated. Now you followed. You can get the other one also. So it will be 2. It will be your 1 by 78. Now coming to fourth one. Fourth one is from your truck driver. So this will be E3 by A. So how much it will be? It will be 1 by 2 into 15 by 100 upon your 13 by this will be. Now second one. So this will be P A by condition E2 into PE2 by total probability. That will be your 13 by 150. So it will be, we have already found out it. It is 1 by 3 into your 3 by 100 upon 13 by 150. So it will be 0 0 cancel, 3 3 cancel. It will be 15 by 13 into 10. You can simplify this. 5 3 times, 5 2 times. So this will be 3 by 26. Now coming to third one. Fourth one. That will be E from your car driver. So this will be how much? It will be your 15 by 200 divided by 13 by 150. So this will be 15 by 200 multiply 150 by 30. 0 0 cancel, 5 3 5 4. So it will be 45 by 52. So I hope you have understood. Question number 1. An urn contains 5 red and 5 black balls. A ball is drawn at random, its color is noted and is returned to the urn. Moreover, 2 additional balls of the same color is drawn and put in the urn. Then a ball is drawn at random. What is the probability that the second ball is red? That means there are 2 urns here. One contains here 5 red and 5 black, and one ball is transferred from here. A ball is an urn contains 5 red and 5 black balls. A ball is drawn at random, color is noted and is returned to the urn. Moreover, 2 additional balls of same color drawn is put in the urn. Find the ball drawn at random. What is the probability that second ball is red? That means an urn contains your 5 red and 5 black. One ball is taken out and seen. The color is noted. Then if it is red in color, again plus 2 red is joined if it is red. Or if it is your black, then there will be 2 black will be added there. And second time, one ball is taken out and found to be always red. Second is always red. That means here there are 2 events, conditional uh, independent event, not conditional, independent event. First is we are taking, suppose first is E1 is in the first draw, your red is drawn. And E2 is black is drawn. E2 is the event, red is drawn from first from bag first time. Then your probability of E1 is equal to 5 by 10 because total balls are 10. This is 1 by 2. E2 is also 1 by 2. Now what is A here? A is the event that ball is red drawn second time. Drawn second time means after keeping the ball 2 balls. So probability of A given A1, that means red ball was drawn. When red ball was drawn, then 2 more red ball was added there. So how much is it becomes now? It becomes 7 red and 5 black. Now when we are taking out a red ball, it will be 7 by 12. So this will be 7 by 12. Similarly, probability of red when E2 took place. E2 means when black was drawn. So when black was drawn, there was 5B, 5 red. If black was drawn, then there are 2 more black. So it will be 7 black, 5 red. But for the second time, we are drawing only red. So it will be 5 by 12. So what is the total probability? PA is equal to PA in PE1, PE1 it will be PE1 into PA condition E1 plus PE2 into PA condition E2. So this will be how much? it will be 1 by 2 into your 7 by 12 plus 1 by 2 into 5 by 12. That will be how much? 1 by 2 I can take common. So this will be 12 by 12. That will be half. Answer. Question number 3. A bag contains 4 red and 4 black balls. Another bag contains 2 red and 6 black balls. One of the two bags is selected at random and ball is drawn from the bag which is found to be red. Find the probability that ball is drawn from the first bag. So here there are two bags, bag 1 and bag 2. So we'll take E1 is the event, bag 1, bag 1. Bag 1 is selected. Similarly, E2 is event, bag 2 is selected. So there are two bags. One of them selected. That means probability will be half half. So probability of E1 is equal to half. Probability of E2 is also half. If there will be 3, then it will be 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3. In bag 1, there was 4 red and 4 black. In bag 2, there will be 2 red and 6 black. Now, second event is one of the bags selected. After that, a ball is drawn from the bag which is found to be red. So, A is the event, the ball drawn is red. So, what is the probability of red ball when bag 1 was selected? That means what is the probability of red from bag 1? It will be 4 by 8 or 1 by 2. Similarly, probability of red from bag 2. How much it will be? It is 2 red, so 2 by 8. So 2 by 8 means 1 by 4. Now what is the question? Question is find the probability that it is drawn from the first bag. What is the probability that the event red has taken place and it is from E1? So what is the probability that red has come and it is from E1? So condition, red has come and you have to get what is the probability of it. It is was bag 1. So now write the expression. So this will be A by E1 into probability of E1 because I am taking probability of E1 and here there will be total probability. Total probability means A given E1, P1 plus A E2 probability of E2. So all we have written, now we'll take. So this will be half multiplies by half upon half into 1 by 2. Next, half into 1 by 2 plus half multiplies 1 by 4. Half we can take and cancel. This is the process of calculation. It will be better for you. Half and it will be half plus 1 by 4. So this is cancelled. This 1 by 2 by here how much it will be? It will be 3 by 4. So the answer will be your 2 by 3. Next is question number 3. Of the student in a college, it is known that 60% reside in a hostel, 40% are day scholars. They come to college every day. They stay at home. Previous year result reports that 30% of all students reside in the hostel at an A grade and 20% of scholars or those who stays outside or day scholars. At the end of the year, one student is chosen at random from the college. He attend the A grade. So A grade is the your event A. What is the probability that students is a hostelier? So hostelier will take as probability E1. So last line is very important. That will be either E1 or E2. So hostelier is E1 means day scholar will be E2. So only you have to mention here what let E1 be the event hostelier, E2 be the day scholar. Then probability of E1, E2 are given nicely. It is given 60%, 60 by 100. Probability of E2 is also given 45 by 100 because the total will be 100, then only it will be the total probability E1, E2. Then A is your has A grade, scores A grade. Now 30% stays in hostels gets A grade. That means this is the probability of A given E1 from hostelier. It is 30 by 100. And probability of A grade from day scholar is equal to 20 by 100. And you have to get what is the probability he is a hostelier given that he has get the A grade. So just interchange it E by E1 into PE1 upon the total probability A upon E1 into PE1 plus P A by E2 into PE2. So how much is this? This is your 60 by 100 into 30 by 100 upon 60 by 100 multiplies 30 by 100 plus 40 by 100 into 20 by 100. So this 100 we can take outside. 100 into 100 I can take outside. So what will remain? It will be remain your, or I can cancel 0 that will be better. So I can take only 1 by 100 common. So this will be 18 upon 18 plus 1 by 100. Cancel. 18 plus 8. How much it will be? 18 by 26. 18 by 26 is how much? It will be 9 by 30. Question number 4. In answering a question on a multiple choice test, a student either knows the answer or guesses the answer. Let 3 by 4 is the probability that he knows the answer. 1 by 4 the probability he guesses the answer. Assuming that a student who guesses the answer will be correct with probability 1 by 4. What is the probability that student knows the answer given that he answers correctly? So when this type of question comes, so what you will do, first you read the questions very carefully, very sincerely till you understand the question. So there is a multiple choice test. A student either knows the answer or he guesses the answers. After knowing and guessing, now he is going for doing correct. So first these are the prior probability we say what is happened first. So that is your E1, E2. 3 by 4 is the probability he knows the answer and 1 by 4 is the probability he guesses the answer. So E1 he knows the answer. E2 is he guesses the answer. Then probability of E1, E2 is given to us. 3 by 4 he knows, and 1 by 4 he is guessing. 1 by 3 by 4 he knows, 1 by 4 he is guessing. Assume that he guesses the answer and will be correct. What is the probability that the student knows the answer given that answers correctly? Given that, what is given, that is your A. That is the event A. So event A is event correct answer. Event of correct answer. So A is event of correct answer. Then we'll get a probability of A. He is doing correct when he knows the answer. He is doing correct when he guessing the answer. And what we have to get? We have to get that he has done correct. What is the probability? He knew the answer. This is asked. And out of these two, if you read carefully, he guesses the answer and will be correct. The probability is 1 by 4. This is 1 by 4. He is guessing and doing the correct. And what about this? This is not given anywhere. But we know this. What? If we know the answer and we are doing correct, this is always 1. This you have to write from your own logic. It's not given in the question. So now go for the answering. So probability of he has done correct. And what is the probability he knew the answer is equal to A given E1 into PE1 upon PAE1 into P1 plus PE2 into PE2. So how much it will be? It will be 1 into 3 by 4 upon 1 into 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4 into 1 by 4. So what will the answer? Answer will be your 3 by 4 by, or we can cancel 4 or I can write 3 by 4 plus 1 by 16. So if I'll cancel or 3, you will give 4, it will give 3 plus 1 by 4. How much it will be? It will be 13 by 12 by 13. Answer. Okay. Next, coming to corona problem, OB test. So let us do the questions now. Read the questions, try to do yourself. Now we have understood it. We'll find how much, how it can be, this Bayes theorem can be applied here. Suppose the reliability of a COVID test is 90%, 90% test detects the disease and 10% go undetected. And 99% tests are judged negative, 1% diagnosed as corona positive. From a larger population of which 0.1 has corona, one person is selected at random. The pathologist reports that he has corona positive. Corona positive is your event A. What is the probability that the person has actually coronavirus? This is your E1. So E1 is your event of actually corona. or corona positive. E2 is no corona. So what is E1? Probability of E1? Probability of E1 is this one. From a large population, only these have corona. So 0.1%. 0.1% means 1 by 1000. So what will be PE2? Not having corona, it will be complement. So 1 minus 1 by 1000 is equal to 999 by 1000. Now, next is A is, we are taking A is, test is positive. A is test positive. Now, positive from when it has coronavirus is equal to how much? It is, again, let us read the question. Suppose the reliability of COVID test specified as follows: people having corona, 90% test detect the disease. That means when there is disease, 90% is detection. That means this is corona positive and actually positive. So it will be 9 by 90 by 100. Next is test is positive, but they don't have corona. How much it is? It is your, it will be how much? It will be, see, 99% test judged as corona negative. Of the free people, 99% is corona negative, but 1% is corona year positive. That means they don't have corona. They don't have corona, but it is showing the positive. How many? Let me read the question again. See, people free from corona. That means they don't have corona. So that means they have out of E2, 99 are judged corona negative, but 1% is positive. So this is your A by E2. So probability of A by E2 is equal to your how much? 1%. 1% means how much? Here 0.01. Yeah, 1 by 100. Now go for calculation. What is asked? Ask that it has corona. And what is the probability he has actually corona? So A by E1 into PE1 upon PA by E2, E1 into PE1 plus PA by E2 into PE2. So let us do the calculation. This will be 1 by 1000 into 90 by 1000. Sorry, 90 by 100 upon 1 by 1000 into 90 by 100 plus 999 by 1000 into 1 by 100. So all 0 I can cancel. So it will be 90 upon 90 plus 999. So it will be 90 upon 9810. How much it will be? You will find in the decimal, it will be 0.083. Or you can keep the answer this one. So we cancel this, your 1 by 10,000, and here also 1 by 10,000. Cancel 90 plus 999. I hope you understood. So he has the Actually, he don't have the 1% even uh, positive, but it is showing. Now taking a similar question in your textbook. What is the question? Question is a laboratory blood test. You can go through the question. Blood test 99% effective in detecting a certain disease when it is in fact present. When present, it is showing your 99% positive. However, the test is a false positive result for 0.56. It is showing a false positive result. And the healthy person tested, then with probability of 0.005, the test will imply he has disease. If 0.1% the population actually has disease, what is the probability that a person has a disease given that the test result is positive? I hope this is a similar question. You can also do this question. What is it? First is, what is the probability that test person has disease? That means this is your E1 has disease and test result is positive. Again, it is A. So let us write whatever we understood. First, we understood that E1 is the event we are taking your corona positive, corona, it's not corona, disease. And E2 is not having disease. Not having persons not having disease or population not having disease. So probability of E1 is equal to only 1%. 1% means 0.1% means your 1/1000 as we have done there. And probability of E2 is equal to your 999 by your 1000. Now A is your positive result, test result positive. Now we'll find A by E1. We'll find A condition E2. And question is, what is the condition it was positive given that result is positive? This is asked. This will read the question again and we'll fill here. First, a blood test 99% effective testing if it is present. That means it is showing 99% positive if positive is there. So this is your 99 by 100. Second is false positive result. That means there is no digit, but it is showing the positive. So this is 0.5%. 0.5 means your 5 by 1000, you know, 5 by 1000, or you can make it decimal. You can write in decimal. So write the formula. E1 by A is equal to PA by E1 into PE1 upon A by E1 into PE1 plus P A by E2 into PE2. So how much is the result? 1 by 1000 multiplies your 99 by 100 upon 1 by 1000 into 99 by 100 plus 999 by 1000 into 5 by 1000. So 1 by 1000, 1 by 1000 I can take common, cancel. By 100 also I can take common. So 1 by 10,000, 10,000 is lakh, 99 by 1 to 99 plus, how much it will be? It will be 5955. this much. So this will be, of course, 110 would be there. So this will be 49.55, 499.5. So this will be 99 by how much? 0.5, 18, carries 1, 19, 5. So this is how much it will be. If we'll cancel it, it will be 22 by 133.